Welcome back. Now, of late, for the past 2 days, there has been a lot of reportage on whether the government wants to discourage the fact that a lot of sugar supplies get diverted to ethanol because they want to ensure that there is adequate supply of sugar. So to get us the latest on what we've learned on this entire story, Manisha joins in. Manisha?
Well, yes, there have been lots of market talk about on how the government could be looking to limit ethanol production from cane juice and be heavy ethanol there. The point is that this time around we're looking at a lower sugar crop, down by nearly 8% as compared to the previous year. Is the reason there's going to be no export of sugar as well. And the reports also do suggest that the government will want to focus on the sugar production, availability and pricing within the country, where we have seen prices also continue to rise up. But we have spoken to the Consumer Affairs Ministry and the Food Ministry as well, and the ministers there have told CNBC-TV18 that as of now no decision to reduce ethanol production has been taken, but the sources do tell us that there could be some proposal that is still under consideration, and you could hear about it in the days to come there. So that is what is keeping the markets quite jittery here. Let me also remind you that the sugar season for the country starts in the month of November, 1st of November that is. So for 2023-24 the ethanol guidelines and pricing are yet to come. There have been various tenders that have been floated. So what the street perhaps is looking at, that these tenders would be honored perhaps. But overall the industry does not like this, because there has been a lot of investment that has been done within for ethanol production. Because remember, there's a 15% target for this year and 20% until 2025. So a lot of sugar industry clearly has gone that way. This year the focus could be on sugar, but remember, ethanol is a long developing story with what the government's vision has been. So there's a bit of a concern right now within the industry, but we haven't heard the last of it, and the expectation is that in the next couple of days or perhaps days going forward, we could be hearing on some kind of taper down or some kind of policy that could be coming out.
All right, Manisha, thanks a lot for getting us all of those details and that clarity on what we are seeing right now. By the way, yesterday all of the sugar stocks were up and about in trade. Today you're seeing pretty big cuts come through, and they've been holding ever since the morning. So everything from an EID Parry, Simbaoli, Uttam Sugars, all of these seeing a pretty big cut in trade right now. We do need to take a short break, but when we return, we're going to talk about the TV